Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound, I think it's very obvious this is a 1-2 and we're in a wave 3 of what I think is an expanding flat. I think it's likely going to go up and take out these highs. It could end up being a running flat, something that we do need to keep an eye out for, but I think it's probably more likely going to be an expanding flat. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is all the wave 1 on the weekly. I think this is the wave 2, and I think we're already in a wave 3, so like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and we're now in a wave 3 of 3, which I do think on these high time frames will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Going down to the daily time frame, I guess we definitely should have just trusted the 1, 2, 3 pullback that we saw on the daily time frame, because it is definitely continuing the uptrend. We just broke the recent highs. I got my Fibonacci extension on here for areas of resistance, but yeah, definitely back into the uptrend. And based on my higher time frame analysis, I think we have a long ways to go. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, very, very strong as you can see. I think in hindsight, what actually happened at the news this week is it just ended up making another 1, 2, 3 pullback. If you kind of erase this spike right here, it just looks like a perfect 1, 2, 3 ABC pullback. So yeah, definitely in an uptrend. We have no Fibonacci level. The next Fibonacci level is at the 1.3373 area. So definitely very, very bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got a different fib on this here. I got it from this here, the last impulse up from the last correction, just for areas of resistance. I personally don't really think it's going to stop at these levels, but it might be areas where it makes a pullback. And if it does make a pullback, that is great news for us, because that's exactly where I would be looking to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I do believe this is all part of a wave 3 on the very high time frames. So if it is part of a wave 3, which it definitely looks like it is, then we definitely want to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. The trend is your friend, and especially applies when we're in a wave 3 on the very high time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.